It's Sunday, and normally I'm in my bed right now. But starting from this week, we have something to do on the weekend. Bukan je on the weekend, also day after work, I have to be there. Sebabnya Raya is coming nearby, and we're going to start a studio Raya this year. Tu. But right before we start our day, aku tunggu tok aku sekejap siap. Dia bedridden, partially bedridden, so I have to help her. Sebelum kita mulakan, these 2 months will be quite packed, aku rasa lah, sebab dengan Raya Cina yang sangatlah dekat. Raya ketiga Raya Cina kita dah start puasa, which is very close. So I don't know how we're going to manage it, but insyaAllah we'll do it. Macam tu, dah siap lagi kah? Okay tak? Okay tu, balik dulu tau. Sekejap lagi main balik kalau apa-apa. Okay, bye. Okay, sebelum kita start kerja, we have to eat first. Right now dekat sarapan kerja pagi, which is very nearby to the studio. So, makan dulu. Sekejap, aku show the environment of this place sikit kan. So nanti this will be the studio, but right now kita nak pergi. So right now kita nak pergi ke kedai barang-barang untuk buat setup. Okay, tadi itu adalah aku punya partners for this project. So tadi sempat kejap kita orang have small meeting. Aku tak sempat nak rakam sebab aku macam tiba-tiba tempat tu ramai orang. Jadi rasa kalut-kalut sikit untuk aku record something or to think something to say. But it's okay, sekarang ni sempat singgah sekejap the studio. But after this we are going to the supplier for barang-barang setup. But actually sekarang ni dia tengah pergi ke kedai kunci lah. So tengah buat extra kunci untuk simpanan kan. So before anything big, we went for something that is more practical, a quick cash for profits, which is buat studio Raya. But since Raya ada lagi dalam sebulan lagi, we have a quite tight schedule, set deadline untuk kita meet up. Tengah buat kunci.
Okey.
Berapa buat kunci?
32 set.
RM20? Okey. Boleh?
Ha?
Boleh? So right now, kita orang tengah masukkan the backdrop. So dah no turning back lah. So kena teruskan juga projek ni. Sekarang ni kita nak cuba masukkan the whole set tu kat dalam kereta. Malas nak buat 2 trip sebenarnya. Okay, sekarang kita turunkan barang, bawa pula naik ke atas untuk simpan ke atas. Okay, right now sekarang dah pukul lebih kurang 3:30. This will be the second part of the day. Tadi kita dah pergi cari bahan-bahan untuk the setup. So right now aku berada dekat sebelah Seberang Perai Selatan. We are going to find the props pula. Okay, props juga memainkan peranan penting lah, so that it enhance the aesthetic of the setup kan. Okay, so kat mana tempatnya? I think I want to not letting you guys know, but I will show you guys what's inside. Okay, jom. Aku dah jumpa calon kerusi yang very nice, tapi dia ada kat atas ni. Sekarang ni kita nak cuba sumbat masuk frame ni, kerusi ni lah ke dalam. Ini kita hantar terus ke studio. Let's send it back to the studio. Ini kita lihatlah hari ni. Okay, jom. Sebenarnya dah malam dah pun, tapi recently aku buy this lampu which is I think cool gila. It's a photo OLED something. Nanti aku ada mood aku akan review kat korang, but I think the light is just so cool. Currently sudah malam sebenarnya. Tadi aku habis angkat barang, kebetulan the mic habis bateri. Aku dah tak ada mood lah kalau nak rakam apa kalau the mic, the audio is not very good. I'll continue it at the night. Alhamdulillah setakat ni semua berjalan lancar, as planned. Walaupun bagi aku adalah sedikit lewat. But currently as a team, as a project, aku rasa we are on track. Aku mulanya hesitate lah untuk share this thing on the vlog, tapi memandangkan this vlog is my documentation, jadi aku rasa I think I can use this as the medium for documenting. Lagi pun berapa kata orang je yang tengok vlog aku kan. So I don't mind to share. So currently aku tengah tunggu the contractor that we hire untuk build some temporary wall for the setup. So I think by this week this thing will be done, and right after that we can finalize the setup. Actually aku dah buat the mock-up design, but aku rasa in coming episode lah baru aku share all this detail. Currently we are around 30% to nak masuk 40% progress. Honestly aku rasa agak takut sebab this is the first time I'm doing a hari raya punya portrait studio, but at the same time aku rasa excited sebab memikirkan aku ada quite a strong team to begin with. Bagi aku this thing won't be realised kalau aku buat seorang. So I'm looking forward for this project. Aku rasa aku nak finish up the design, kemudiannya I'm going to finish the vlog for today, editing, dan after that kita will see from where it goes. Aku harap perkongsian aku hari ini memberi manfaat pada hampa semua. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys.
Dah habis vlog hari ini sampai sini. Jangan lupa, jangan risau, jumpa lagi esok pagi.